Ka-journey, real talk ha. Kung nakaka-issue sa usa ka tawo, ayaw i-post, istoryahe, push yourself. Kay kung dili ikaw mo push sa imong kagalingon, kinsa man di ay. Ka-journey, paminawa ni kay daghan kayo maluwas sa stress ani. If you have an issue with someone, talk to them directly, calmly, privately, or respectfully. Jim Rohn would say, effective communication is the bridge between confusion and clarity. Pero unsa man kasagaran mahitabo? Instead of talking to the person, giuna ang istorya sa silingan, sa group chat, sa Facebook, o sa tindira sa kilid. Mao lang ang simple nga issue nahimong teleserye. Chismis does not solve anything. It only multiplies the problem, and worst of all, it exposes your character, not theirs. O ka-journey, stop hoping for someone's downfall. Kay kung imong kalipay kay mo fail ang uban, ang poison wala sa ila, kundi naa sa imuha. Karma doesn't need your help. Karma works on divine timing. No announcement needed. If someone hurt you, if something confused you, if something felt wrong, communicate with them or with her. Walay drama, walay padungog-dungog, direct, honest, og peaceful. That's real maturity, ka-journey. Maturity is choosing peace over noise, growth over pride, clarity over chismis. O kung lisod kayo nimo i-direct, ayaw na lang i-direct sa social media. Kaya ang silingan rin malingaw. People don't remember who won the argument, but they always remember the character. Kaya kung mag-chismis ka, dili ikaw ang nagpakyot, ikaw ang naguba sa reputation sa uban. Peace is a choice, character is a decision. O ikaw, ka-journey, I know, mas piliun nimo ang maturity. Ka-journey, sa dili pa ni Mahuman, shout out dahil ko sa akong mga igsoon nga si Raymond Montana o si Marvin Montana aka Balagdong nga nag-chill karon, nagtagay karon.
Yep.
Ka-journey, ayaw kalimot. Pasalamat ta sa Ginoo kay sa Philippians chapter 4 verse 13, I can do all things through Christ who gives me strength. Kita kits, ka-journey.